are the day after our 18-kilometer hike and 800-meter ascent, and now I'm having a lot of trouble getting these beautiful girls back out.
We won't do it!
We've been here since just under 7 a.m. and we've noticed that what people do in Lake Moraine is basically park their cars, I guess walk up Rockpile, which is a 15-minute walk, and leave again. Which is really sad because to take it in you have to stay a few hours. So we've done Consolation Lakes, we've done the Lakeshore Trails, and the Rockpile. And we'll see. We wanted to do Larch Valley, but because of the big day we had yesterday, probably won't.
We got here at 7 around and the parking was already full. We got really lucky to find this spot. The guy was just leaving, especially with RVs. So you guys have to get here super early so that you have a place to park.
Okay, Shannon, what time is it?
Morning.
What?
9:10.
And what are you guys eating right now, Abby?
Candy.
This is Consolation Lakes Trail from Lake Moraine. It's a 2.3-kilometer one-way trail to lakes, and we've just entered a meadow in a sort of valley where the 10 peaks begin.
We decided to do this trail after our 18-kilometer walk of yesterday. It only has a 65-meter elevation gain, so perfect for us and the kids.
The big rock?
So if you look at that, that's what we're used to back home, close to about 2 hours away from where we live. That's where we usually go camping. It looks like that. But then you just turn around a little bit. That we're not used to.
So we have made it. We are at the end of the trail and it's a really nice view. We keep hearing mini avalanches but we can't see them.
Well, that's cool. Where we're sitting right now, it's probably where there was an avalanche because, you know, there's a bunch of rocks everywhere. So, yeah, it's really pretty. I would definitely recommend it. Easy trail, nice view. I'd recommend this one.
What?
No.
Try the other one. Try the other one.
No,
I guess it depends on your weight too.
Oh, if you guys fall, I'm going
Hey,
to laugh.
it depends on
so
the weight.
hard.
You get off.
Shannon. Oh no.
Yeah, it does turn a bit. Don't be too confident. Whoa. Take out your hands a bit, Bree. You look a little awkward. Okay. That looks awkward. Hey, look at you! Oh, that was a risk.
This is our practice.
You reach these boardwalks, you're at the end of Lakeshore Trail. Leads to a waterfall. It's loud but beautiful.
We're at Moraine Lake. This is the rock pile, this first view. And it's really worth it to go higher because the colors are different at a higher altitude. It's really, it's a lot nicer.
This sign says, "What do you see that inspires you on rock pile at Lake Moraine?"
What doesn't?
And Aunt Brianna's answer,
What doesn't? So we're on top of rock pile and the lakeshore trail goes all around the waterfall.